What's up, everyone? This is Roman from HandyLink. Today, we'll be going over the Google Ads strategy for roofers. This will also apply for pretty much any home service industry. So, this could be a step-by-step guide, how to set up, how to launch, how to scale your Google Ads campaign. So, I don't know how long this video will be. Might be pretty long, but every single second will be worth it. So, guys, right now, what I have up is one of my clients' page. So, he spent over 368,000. So, he's got a lot of data. So, I recently onboarded this client just because they got a lot of errors with this account. But I want to show you how I fixed their process and what I'm doing now to help them grow their company. So when you have a fresh Google Ads account, you're not going to have any history of conversions. So what does that mean? If you set up your campaign and you watch a bunch of these videos, they're going to be talking about have maximized conversions, and you're going to realize why I'm getting no impressions because you have it set up wrong. So I'm going to go over step by step how to create a campaign. So the first thing you want to do is click create campaign. And obviously you want to go for leads. But in this case, we're going to do create campaign without guidance. So we have more control because the more control you give to Google, the actually less performing our campaign will be. So create a campaign without guidance. Only do search. Anything else is the ROI, and for lead gen especially, it's not going to be good. Yes, if you have, for example, if you're selling e-commerce or products, then the other stuff will be great. But if you're doing lead gen, search. Okay. Um, then basically, the very important thing is you need to have your conversion tracking set up. So if you're using a landing page, right, what I highly recommend is for your landing page, when they fill out the form, the second they fill out the form, they get redirected to a thank you page. Okay. Once you get redirected to the thank you page, use that link as a conversion. I'll talk about that soon. So, what I would recommend to start off is actually a call only campaign because it's very easy to set up, and actually, it's one of the most highly effective ones with lower cost per lead. So, what I would do, guys, to start off your campaign, if you have a no offense, if you have a dog shit website, I would have it set up for call leads because it's the easiest to track. Obviously, Google's not going to be 100% accurate, but you'll know when it's from Google. Continue. You're going to do phone calls. And then obviously, you're going to type in your phone number that you're going to do. So I'm just going to type in, I don't know, my business phone number, 3453. You're going to, I like to have it like this set up. So basically, you put in parentheses, you put a space here, and then you put a dash here. So this is like this example right here. Continue. Campaign name, just make sure it's organized. So we're gonna do roofing install, then we're gonna do call only ad. Okay, boom. And then I usually put my watermark, so I just do HandyLink LLC. Just make sure you know what it is. Continue. Okay, start new. And so for the bidding, we're gonna get to this later, but first just choose clicks. Okay, we're gonna change it to manual CPC right after. So we're gonna do next. And we're going to turn off Search Partner Network, Google Display Network, turn it off. And then right here is where a lot of people get stumbled and they actually get leads from outside of their service area. You need to click on this second option. People in or regularly in your included areas, okay? You type in your location. Let's say I live in Bucks County, so you're going to put in Bucks County. Boom, include, okay? So that's our service area. Make sure it's English or whatever language you want to go after. Broad match, off. Broad match in 2025 does not work, okay? And then this, you don't need to touch anything here. Click next. Click next or skip. And then for the URL, for example, we'll just use some random companies, some random roofers, roofer near me. And guys, by the way, if you don't have LSA, I have a video on my YouTube channel that talks about how to set it up. So go watch that as soon as possible. So let's use this guy's right here. Okay, this is a pretty. Oh, I actually don't like this landing page. Where's the fill out form? They don't have a fill out form. Yikes! So this guy does not have it set up properly. Okay, so we're gonna use a right here website, and the keywords. What we're gonna do is this. We're gonna use ChatGPT on our side, just because I don't want to go over keyword research. Keyword research, I'm going to talk about in another video. But if you don't want to do keyword research and just want to go over pretty decent keywords, just ask ChatGPT. Give me 15 high intent keywords for roof installation in Bucks County, PA. Make it phrase match and exact match. Okay. And phrase match is basically quotations. Exact match is brackets. So exact match is exact. So when they exactly search that term, phrase match means like if roof installation is in the sentence they search up, it will pop up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy ChatGPT's phrase match keywords. I like to have it phrase match and exact match duplicated. Exact match, okay. And then what we're gonna do is now what we're gonna do is this. So for the website URL, we're gonna obviously put it up here. So let's do that. Okay. Boom, website URL. And then basically we're gonna do roof installation or roof install Bucks County. Does it fit? Sweet. Okay. So basically just wanted to kind of resonate with the keywords. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna ask ChatGPT again to give us high intent 15 headlines under 30 characters. We're typing this 15 headlines under 30 characters that relate to the keywords you gave us. Okay? And what we're going to do is we're going to ask it to go. Sorry for the lag. All right. Okay. Give it a second. All right. Okay, roof insulation near you. So what we're gonna do is this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy the high intent, that what you think is gonna be the high intent. So from my experiences, top rated local service area, best roofing in your service area, or family owned and operated in that service area. So I love this one right here. Top roofers in Bucks County. This one is, I guarantee, will be a winning headline. Okay, so what we're gonna do is I'm not gonna go over every single one, but what I'm gonna do is you want to copy pretty much every single high intent into your headline. I'm not gonna go over every single one, but pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna fill out every single one. So there's about 15 headlines, and you're gonna fill it out, okay? And then basically, do not leave this campaign until it says good or excellent, which the circle is gonna fill up, okay? And pretty much every single one should be filled out here. So I'll show you what I mean. So if I do local roof installation experts, Bucks County, okay, this one's too big. So let's do local roof installation. Let's remove expert. Let's do local. Let's do roof installation. Yeah, let's remove the word local. Okay, boom. So this one, roof installation. Will it resonate? No, it will not. So pretty much what you're going to do is you really want to try to check out every single keyword that we have. So right now we have a couple of these checked out. Obviously, the more you have checked out, the higher ranking you will be. And then once you have everything, all these 15 headlines set, you should be at either good or excellent, okay? Then for the description, you ask ChatGPT the same thing. Give me 4 descriptions under 90 characters. Literally copy the exact same method I'm doing, guys. Under 90 characters for the keywords and headlines I provided. Boom. Okay. So now let's give it a moment to load. So it needs to process for a second. Skip through this video. My computer is very slow right now. But pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna wait for it to give you the 4 options. You're gonna copy it into here. So if it's gonna load, but I'm gonna walk through another steps while it loads. And then for the images, all you gotta do is just click on add images. I really recommend this. If you don't have any here, click on upload from computer. So you just go on Google and type in, or you can upload your own projects if you have any. But for example, with this client, I'm just gonna add like just a couple of just stock images. I would recommend having at least 10. So click save. You enter your business name, your logo, and then for the side links, what you should do is, for example, if you have a contact me page, I would put that in the URL and say contact me, okay? And then with the description, say contact me for your appointment today. Just make sure it's under 35 characters. And then for the more assets, what I really recommend is messages is okay. It'll links with your WhatsApp. Um, Lead fill out forms, you need to have Zapier connected, so I would not really recommend that. Call outs, you could. It doesn't really play a big effect. Like you can select family owned operated, just basically builds trust. And then let's see if okay, it's still loading. But pretty much what you want to have it set up is like it looks like this. So roofers near me. We're gonna go over someone else's campaign near me. Okay. Mun's siding and roofing. So pretty much look what they have here. They have a headline, they have an image right here, they have their description, consider it done with Mun's, right? And then they have their location here. And then for their landing page, I saw this company before. You want to have a landing page where it has a call now instant free estimate. So you need to have like um a call out for your prospect or client when they're in a landing page. For example, if they click on the site and they have nothing here, they don't know what to do. But notice how they have a call now and it's shaking. Basically, it just attracts the eye to here. So that's what you really want to have. But other than that, once you get everything set up, I'll just show you an example of one of my roofing campaigns. Um, okay, do I have to do this right now? Come on, discard. So I'm gonna go over one of my call only ads right now. Let's do roof installation call only ads. Let's do today. Okay. So yeah, so right now we only got one click so far, 0 conversions. It's cost per lead is around like $300 here. So notice how we have our locations for the service areas. So for the target areas, we have all the areas we target, right? I usually select the counties. And then for location exclusions, I usually ask ChatGPT to give me a bunch of states that's not in my service area and the countries. Obviously, they give me every single little country, but it just in case if there's any spammers or people that search up in different states, we don't want to pop up in their search. We don't want to waste any search. So then the keywords, I don't want to show you the keywords that we're running, obviously, but then basically what we do is we have ad schedule. So for the ad schedule, we have the time of the you're obviously operating. Some people recommend 24 hours. I honestly don't like 24 hours because you'll waste a lot of clicks. And then basically for the conversions, what we have is for this campaign, our conversion is set to phone calls. So what we do is conversion goals, okay, I'll just do it for this, but right here we have our conversions only for phone calls. So Google's going to try to show our phone number as much as possible to get phone number leads. Okay. So if you're a beginner at Google Ads, I highly recommend set up call only ads. And guys, if you have any questions on how to get this set up, book a call with me, link in my bio, and leave a comment if you want to go over any other tutorial. My next tutorial is going to be on Facebook ads. So guys, if you're interested, I'm going to go over more in detail videos of how to set it up. But if you guys have any questions, let me know. Have a great day. Bye, guys.